Just a little tip, if you're going to do a transition, and I like to sometimes use reverb kicks on them transitions. I'm just working with a clip. So I'm not engineering the track. I don't do that, I teach only. But I've just noticed that his reverb kick continues over. So let's listen to what happens if we play the kick. Essentially, the low end is going to be messy, so I'll show you a little tip. There's nothing else playing. Now, it might not seem like much, but that is creating a low-end mess. So when you've got a situation like this, just shorten your reverb kick and just fade it out. So when the kick comes back in, you're all sorted. And there you go. It's little things like that that add up and make all the difference. Don't be lazy, be thorough, and let's get things 100% right. There's no room for error at this level.